sisters, can you tell us your name and you sing a special song for God?
My name is Ango Sharon. I come from the Northwest region. I want to sing a special number.
My name is Ango Misha Afumbo. I come from the Northwest region. I want to sing a special number.
He keep on doing great things. He keep on doing great things. Jehovah Nissi, the Lord my provider. He keep on doing great things. He keeps on doing great things. He keeps on doing great things. He keeps on doing great things. Jehovah Nissi, the Lord my provider. He keeps on doing great things. He keeps on doing great things. He keeps on doing great things. Jehovah Nissi, the Lord my provider. He keeps on doing great things. He keeps on doing great things. He keeps on doing great things. Jehovah Nissi, the Lord my provider. He keeps on doing great things.
Wow. Can somebody just rise on your feet? Can somebody rise on your feet? Can somebody rise on your feet as we invite mommy of the house to pray for the testimony? Just connect yourself.